workstation gets a little hectic. So cute. Hi girls. I have honestly been putting off so many things because just other things in life have taken priority. For example, I've been dying to film a declutter with me, but I keep putting it off because I know how long those take for me to film and edit. I just haven't had the time to allot for it, and therefore I have also just not been decluttering. Like, I've been letting things get so bad. So today's kind of like a catch up day because exhibit A, this is the state of my vanity right now. Pretty scary stuff. This needs to be figured out by the end of today because I can't take it anymore. I can't do it. I also would like to clean my makeup brushes. I have a literal mountain of laundry here. It's been weeks. No more. Also probably gonna wash my bedding and then just do like normal spruce up stuff around the house. It is 5:05 p.m. Obviously the laundry needs to run, so I think I'm gonna strip the bedding first. You in the morning. Every step is so golden. Oh yeah. Breathing you slowly. I never thought you would have been up for me. I still cannot believe how bad this has gotten. If y'all have seen any of my declutter with me videos, my vanity will take me like an entire day. As you can imagine, it just gets cluttered and dirty. I mean, I'm a girl. What do you want from me? The workstation gets a little hectic. Anywho, this is unacceptable. I think right now I just want to clear off the counter. I was cleaning my rings today. This actually isn't the soap. I like refilled it with Dawn, but if you girls didn't know, if you wear diamonds, Dawn dish soap, like the OG Dawn dish soap, is the best thing to clean your diamonds with, and like a toothbrush or something like this and hot water. It will get your diamonds cleaner and more gorgeous than ever. Don't buy diamond cleaner. Literally Dawn dish soap. I know women who have like 10 karat diamonds who say the same thing. That's some real tea right there. Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I live you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, get it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I gotta crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside. Okay, that's all I'm doing for now. I'm walking away, I'm walking away. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Or should that go in the basket? Would it make more sense if I put that in here? I could probably clear this out. Oh, here I go. Here I go. Let me tell you now, I gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying. Okay, somehow I cleared out my entire counter, went through this whole basket. Now in that basket, I just have my makeup, my face masks, and then this bottom shelf here is kind of like insane. I know that looks like so chaotic, but honestly, it serves a purpose. And then I don't know where to put this, so I just put like my rings down here, and then those are like my current extensions. I'm happy with this for now, and I have all of this freaking counter space, which is kind of insane. I'm gonna stop with the vanity for now. Let's move on. I think we'll start here. Yeah. Guitar, less of time. I drew my heart a little wall, but I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. I played a Charles Bridge on the side, with your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. Your point of view, different taste, walking slow, bumpy pace. Cause you know we can fall in love. This moment's all it takes. Autumn leaves falling doubt. Suddenly it's over now, but you know we'll fall in slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? Just stop the time and listen.
Not me literally forgetting about skirts that I have in here because I genuinely just can't freaking see them. Good. Pillowcases. Hello girls, it's tomorrow. Awfully bold of me to think I was gonna finish everything in one day. When do I ever do that? Never, exactly. I want everything to be completed because it's Friday. I want to go into the weekend with just like all of my non-work stuff squared away. So what does that mean? That means I need to finish putting away the rest of my laundry. I do want to sticker my laptop like really bad, so I'm hoping we can get to that today. We didn't get to the makeup brushes yesterday, so we need to get to that today. Let's get to it.
It's all about you. 난 머리 위로 더 작게 놓아버리니까. Baby, it's true. Everywhere is you all day. 우리 둘의 공간 속에 멈춰 있는 거야. All I want is just one kiss.
Look, we pretty much got everything done that I really wanted to get done. So we're gonna go ahead and sticker my laptop now. The thing is, I also want to film this for TikTok, so just ignore my phone filming in the background. Okay, thank you. Now I got the cutest freaking stickers off Amazon. I got 2 different sticker packs. I'll have a link for all the products you need to do exactly what I'm doing. But not only did I get that, I also got like a clear case for my laptop. So I'm actually gonna be stickering this, not my actual laptop itself. I already went through the sticker packs that I got off Amazon and I picked all of my favorites. So let's get cozied up over here and let's get started. I'm excited. So I'm putting on the plastic cover right now. It actually looks so cute with just a little clear case on it. This is what we're working with. I think this is the configuration I'm gonna go with. Plan is to kind of like cut the legs off of these guys. Dude, the little creepy lamb doll, I love her so much. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm just gonna stick these on and hope for the best. Oh my god, stop it. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. Mason just like razored off the little flappy pieces that were around the edges with his pocket knife. You better look at it. It's so cute. I just wanted like a little kind of dopamine when I look at my laptop. Like I grab my laptop so often and I always have like a really cute wallpaper for that reason. But hello, I want something cute for when it's just like sitting on my desk or whatever. But yeah, girls, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thanks for hanging out with me. I know this is like a random vlog, but I honestly didn't have much time to film anything else this week. And I was like, you know what? Let's just do a vlog. Let's just hang out together and get some shit done together. I'm hoping this motivated you. You guys always motivate me. If you made it to the end of the video, leave me a bubble emoji. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out if you're not in the fam yet. I post new videos every single weekend and I post almost daily on shorts. Remember, I will have links to everything I mentioned in the description box down below. If you liked this video, make sure you check out these because you will love them as well. Okay, girls, I love you so much and I will see you next weekend. Bye!
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life